Hi guys,
Hi.
we're the puzzle couple and we are here to do a brand new puzzle. Well, brand new to us. It is the Aquarius Marvel puzzle, or a Aquarius Marvel puzzle, because it looks like it's got a lot of the superheroes in it.
hmm
Uh, so,
I'm
what do
a
you think?
I'm a big fan of Marvel, so I'm kind of excited to do a puzzle with comic book characters because I love comic books too. I guess I probably own not as much as some people, but I do own quite a few comic
She
books.
does, yeah. She's got a good amount. All
Mhm.
right, well, we're gonna kind of show you what the puzzle pieces look like. They are, they're a little smaller than some
Mhm.
of the ones that we have done, but the thickness to it is about average, probably. The fill of the top of the puzzle is actually a little bit different than some of them. It almost, like, some of these almost have like
Glossy?
well, they're glossy, but they almost, if like, feel this one, it feels like it's like kind of curves, which is very
Yeah.
interesting. I don't know if all these are feeling that way, but that one, yeah. So yeah, and they do. To me, it feels like it kind of curves. Uh, so it's not a straight plane, I guess you could
Mhm.
say, which is very interesting. So we're excited to do this one. It is 1,000 pieces.
Yikes, yeah. Hopefully it goes a little bit easier, but like Emery said, there's a lot of like the color schemes are kind of very close.
Yeah.
So I'm a little worried about that, but we seem to do pretty
Yeah, we
good.
do okay. I mean,
Yeah,
we're not speed puzzlers, that's for sure.
not
Not
yet,
yet, yeah.
but
But if you're liking what you're seeing, like and subscribe to our channel.
yeah,
We're doing this just for fun right now because, well, we can and we got a little bit of extra time.
yep. So we will see you guys on the other side.
Yep, see you then.
Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Hey,
guys.
peoples.
So we finished the puzzle. Again, this is from Aquarius. Let's see. It just says that it's Marvel, so it doesn't like actually have a name. There was one piece missing, so that kind of was rough.
There always seems to be one piece missing.
Always.
Yeah.
So hopefully the other puzzles that we got from Bookman's is not missing pieces. If they are, then I probably am not going to try my luck with Bookman's anymore, which is really sad to say because Bookman's had just tons of puzzles. Yeah.
They had pretty much a whole wall of puzzles. So.
Yeah.
And a big wall, not
And a lot of my on my wish list. So anyways, so this puzzle was excellent. All the little faces, all the different little squares makes you feel like you're completing tiny puzzles every time one gets done. So you might see in the video me getting a little excited every time a face is complete, like one of the little squares are complete. You know it.
I do. I know it. Yeah.
I did a little dance.
Yep.
So, once this puzzle was put together, the pieces, I didn't have any problems with like the pieces, like false fits. I don't believe it was an issue.
It didn't seem to be an issue. But the pieces don't hold together well, so you can't like pick it up because you try to touch it and it falls apart.
Which you'll see in our tear apart video. It comes apart very, very easy.
Very easy,
so if you want to keep this puzzle, you're gonna have to probably glue it together. I'm thinking.
I would say so. Yeah, you'd have to use some kind of glue or something that holds the puzzle together before you can even move it. So or you'd have to be very careful moving it, until you got it put together, with something. So kind of cool though. It was fun.
It was, oh, go ahead.
I was gonna say that we like the Marvel stuff anyhow, so it was actually very cool.
And I would definitely do puzzles with like the little squares again, just because it was just so much fun to put together. The one piece that is missing happened to be Ant-Man. However, the people that we exchange puzzles, I am going to put a little note inside the box saying one piece is missing in the head. And let them discover which head on this. If she calls and she asks, I'll tell her which piece is missing. But chances are she's probably going to want to put it together and just see for herself. I think it's fairly, very, very quickly discovered that there's a piece missing because, as you can tell, like the squares are all, very color themed. And it was a completely red piece that was missing. So if you get all the red pieces put together, you're gonna say, hey, this is missing. But everything else was perfect. So
looked really good when it was put together, which hopefully you guys could see in the video that it actually looked like a very nice puzzle.
So check out our other videos and we will talk to you later.
See you later, guys.
Bye. Was that Mozart?
Where? Yeah, he's down there. I don't know if that was.